Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my October 2023 Boxycharm by Ipsy Plus Boost unboxing. This actually came pretty early for me in the month. I'm like, wow, wait, it's actually October? But I'm really excited to unbox this. It's a big box this month and it's got some nice weight to it. So if you're not familiar with Boxycharm by Ipsy, it's a monthly beauty subscription box that is customized to your preferences, and I got to choose a few of my products for each box, and you also get an upgrade to an extra product called the Boxycharm Boost, and I subscribe to that as well. And so let's just jump right in and see what I got this month, because I always feel like even though I do get to choose, I think it's 3 of the products in this box, when I go to unbox it, I have absolutely no memory of what I chose. So I feel like I'm going into this unboxing completely blind. So let's see what I got here. It's a big box, but it's filled with a lot of packing material here. Oh, and of course it's Halloween themed, Glam-O-ween. Looks like Ipsy has an advent calendar. I did not even know that. I really want that. Oh, wow. So this has like some product information, but not specific to what I actually got in my box. Wow, this is talking a lot about the holiday season and gifts for the holidays. I can't believe we're already getting close to that time of year. Oh my gosh. But all right, let's see what I got in the box here. First, I have a product from the brand YC Collection. This is Authentic Glazed Liquid Highlighter. This actually looks like a very familiar product. So I'm not too familiar with this brand, but it just looks so familiar. Yeah, this like pretty liquid highlighter. I love a liquid highlighter, so excited to put this to the test. I have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out all sorts of makeup products. Pretty much every other day is when I post a makeup review video. So I'm going to be saving these makeup products for that makeup review series. So if you like makeup reviews, subscription box unboxings, then I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. All right, next up, this is Karma Beauty Trinity Oil infused with biotin and keratin, argan oil, angelica oil, rose oil. Oh yeah, this I now remember is the product that I chose as my boost product, and this is a hair oil. I feel like my hair has been very dry lately, so I was thinking this would be a good product for me. It says apply to damp or dry hair from mid-lengths to ends as a primer, leave-on conditioner, or shine boosting finisher. So a very versatile product that I think I can get a lot of use out of. I felt like the boost options, they're very skincare heavy, which I'm not really trying to get skincare in my beauty subscription boxes lately just because I have so much skincare that I'm going through, and I don't change up my skincare until I completely use up a product usually. So I haven't been the biggest fan of Boxycharm Boost. I just don't really know that for me it's really worth the money. But so I'm feeling okay with the Boost product this month at least. But let's see what else I got in the box. Oh, look at this huge, iconic London palette. The Booming and Gleaming eyeshadow palette. Oh, I've got in a few iconic London eyeshadow palettes in Ipsy before, and I just love them. They're so beautiful, such good quality. They're expensive too. Ooh, look at the colors in here. Yeah, this is giving me the fall vibes with these colors. And these are the colors that I love. It's a lot of neutrals, browns, a lot of shimmers, very wearable to my comfort zone. And that's what a lot of the iconic London palettes have been like that I've gotten. They're just so useful. So I'm really excited to add this to my collection. Next, ooh, this matches the box pretty perfectly. It says, oh, Formula Z, I'm so pretty. Shadow Stick Duo. Ooh, I love the sound of that, and I just am loving this packaging. Ooh, So this looks so much like that liquid highlighter that I pulled out earlier from YC Collection. But so it's like a liquid shadow on one side and then a shadow stick on the other. Oh, I'm very excited about this. This is so cool and unique and seems so useful, and I really like the color. I was just saying how I like the brown types of colors for eyeshadows. So this is exactly like a color I would have chosen on my own, and it will probably go great with that iconic London eyeshadow palette. Oh, I'm excited about this. Yeah, lots of great eye shimmery type products so far. Let's see what else I got. This here, Context Brow Pomade Stick. Ooh, I love a brow product. Ooh. Oh, nice. Just a clear kind of like wax stick. I've tried out one of these before. Oh, and then a little brush on the end. This looks really nice. Yeah, I was saying I've tried one of these before from e.l.f., which I really liked, and I've tried out a few products from this brand, Context Skin, and it's pretty good, so I am excited about this. I know it doesn't seem like the most exciting type of product, just like a clear brow pomade, but I use a brow gel every day. I love a clear brow pomade, so I'm really excited to try this out. And then I've got one more product in the box here, and this is from Trace Lucé Beauty, which I get a lot in Ipsy, but it's such a great brand. And this is Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. Yep, I love to get a mascara as well, so I'm happy with this final product here. Nice classic Trace Lucé Beauty packaging, but I'm so picky with my mascaras, so I'm always excited to try out new ones. It says it primes and conditions the lashes while adding volume and length. That sounds awesome. So lots of eye products, pretty much all eye products this month, but I'm excited about these overall. I'll do a quick recap, and I would love to hear in the comments down below if you've tried any of these products before, what your thoughts are on them. All right, so I got the YC Collection Liquid Highlight, the Formula Z I'm So Pretty Shadow Stick Duo, the Context Brow Pomade Stick, the Trace Lucé Beauty Mascara, the iconic London eyeshadow palette, and the Trinity Hair Oil from Karma Beauty. So overall, my October box, I'm feeling pretty content with. I got some exciting products that I'm excited to play around with, some good brands. I feel like I got good value in this box. So yeah, feeling content about it. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.